beautiful soul. As I begin this makeup, I already have my foundation, eyebrows, and lipstick in place. So let's begin. We're going to start this eye look by grabbing a medium-sized blending brush. With your index and thumb fingers, take the brush and start picking a chocolate brown color from your favorite eyeshadow palette. And very lightly begin applying it above your natural shaped lids. You want to continue to blend until everything looks perfectly harmonious, and then you're going to take the eyeshadow, bringing the color up towards the tail of your eyebrows, and this will give the effect of a cool lifted eye. Now let's grab a fluffy and flat eyeshadow brush. With this brush, we're going to start picking a golden champagne eyeshadow color. We will start tracing our almond shaped lids and then start working it up towards our eyebrows to make our lids appear larger. Now, you don't want this eyeshadow to touch your eyebrows. You kind of want it to meet it halfway. So you want to stop this right at the middle of your eyelids. For this step, we will grab a medium-sized angle brush and pick a dark brown or a soft black eyeshadow color, and we're going to start creating an eyeliner for almond eyes. Now, if you don't know how to do this and if you're interested in a more in-depth tutorial, you can please check out the video in the description box. I kind of have one that teaches you how to do it 101. Now I'm grabbing a smaller angle brush. With this brush, we will start creating a horizontal V shape on our tear duct. This will create the effect of longer, larger almond eyes with a touch of softness. To make my eyes more flirty, I am adding 4 coats of mascara. Mine is a little bit dry, but this is all I had at the moment. And I always say, work with what you got and make what you have work for you. To add more length to my eyelashes, I'm adding 4 individual falsies. Now with this process, you really have to take your time and you want to place them carefully on the outer part of the lashes. This is to create kind of like a cat eye-ish effect. Now we're going to repeat the same process on our other eye. Now the reason I do one eye first is because I get inspired by a look as I start drawing, and I then copy the eye look on my other eye. It helps me be creatively open. Throughout this process, I recommend that you have patience with yourself, that you take your time and you show love to what you're doing. My experience has shown me that the more love you put into something, the better that it gets. And that is with makeup too. You have to take your time if you do have it, and don't be so self-critical. Allow yourself to be creative and always know that you can break the rules or bend them as well. Have fun and know that you can do this too. And keep enjoying this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao. I love you.